Hey peeps, it's your girl Blessed Gaza Diva and welcome back to the Blessed Gaza Diva channel. People, there is a very sad state of affairs happening in Jamaica right now, and I saw all the DMs and everybody wants me to talk about Vybz Kartel's case. It's out there for you to watch all over the media. You can watch it. We've given all the updates that we have to date. They're finalizing the documentation, and when the phone results are there and it's the right time, Gaza Diva will talk to you. Now, I saw this comment on a site and I thought it prudent that this is something that we really need to talk about, because there are two things that are important to me: the freedom of my artist and the improvement of my country, and what our government are doing about it. Anyway, people, when we get back, I'm going to talk about it, we're going to look into it, we're going to read the comment about Vybz Kartel, and then we're going to get into how this ties to his case and how this ties into the current state of affairs in Jamaica. Let's kick it.
You're not like anyone else. You find the way you are. Did you do this all yourself? A smile ignites the room. Sending us up to the time, you know it's Kartel. Representing for Blessed D, Gaza Diva.
Hey, get away from here. Move up. How this up? Media.
It is not the fact that he's innocent or guilty, but the fact that he wasn't given a fair trial. And that's the reason why he's fighting so hard to get out. Many have done worse than Vybz Kartel, and they were given a lighter sentencing, even when they had evidence on them. Even if he's innocent, knowing this corrupt justice system, he would still be locked away because that's how they operate. They sentence you based on your status in society and not for what you have done, just because they are trying to make an example. They say Kartel is the reason for our high crime rates, and he's behind bars for over a decade, and the crime rate is worse than before. Wonder who is to be blamed now? Question mark. People, let me tell you something. This is so well written, I could find a person and shake off the hands. Now, what I get to understand from that video that you see there, police intervene in Corning between Denham Town and Tivoli Men, and the Maypen Cemetery was used as a safe haven or a zone for some of the men to be in a shootout with the police. Now, people, for them to be in a corning with the police, we are in no way, shape, or form tolerating this. And this is why I can't understand for the life of me, why is it every day, every minute, every second, the vloggers come on internet and they act as if the government has no responsibility over our country.
Dismantling the gangs, because we hear a lot of talk, kind of talk. Sometimes I wonder if you know.
And Mr. Prime Minister, I wonder if you even have a clue of what to do in this country, giving your bossy talk when you are not in power. You're now in power and you're still not doing anything. And you are trying to act as if you want to quell people, quiet them down by saying dancehall is responsible and also shutting up people. But you don't seem to have a clue either. I am wondering, you're even lost for words. Anyway, people, back to what we're talking about. The bad man, them don't show me what they're about. Them are about corning, them about getting corn, them about getting territory, them about taking over. And the police, we don't need more police stations to fight crime. We need more tactical measures to fight crime. We need our policemen not only to be equipped with new vehicles, we need our policemen to be equipped with greater artilleries than what we see these criminals with. And we need to stop blaming music. Now, to the point that this person made about breaking this down and Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel, whether they want to agree with it or not, he was incarcerated because exactly what this commenter wrote. They blamed Vybz Kartel for the crime rate. This is why Vybz Kartel have a slew of songs in his career. And my music mash up society. Election cause it, and that's how the public views it. So this is good to see another person saying exactly what I've been saying for many years. This is exactly how majority of the public views it. But because the media houses, the bloggers, the internet, the TVs, they all have it perceived in people's minds that yes, the music is the problem. What music were they listening to yesterday when they chose to attack the police and the soldiers? What music were they listening to yesterday when they decided to pow against each other for turf and territory? What does turf and territory gives you in society? In Jamaican culture and in Jamaican society, any man will run off the turf, him get the most money, him control the boys in the community, him control the girls in the community, and him have the big top chat, him drive the big car, and the big boss own the big house, etc. So obviously, getting control over turf is indeed supposed to give, quote unquote, based on what their perceptions are telling them, is to give them power and fame. And in so gaining that power and fame, they go to lengths to get it. So why aren't the government, and when I say aren't the government, I mean both arms of the society now, looking at both fractions and saying, all right, let's educate our youths. Let's educate people. If you look at the education of our society, the youths in our society, they're really going wayward, them really going down, and everybody hungry. There are no jobs in this country to keep people employed and gainfully employed steadily for 2-3 years. A man a look a roast on the side, him go do some construction work. And the first thing that people tell you, go and go look some construction work. You go get a taxi and you drive it, police take it over and stress you out. The government and their fees stress you out. So there are a myriad of things that are incorrect in society and wrong with society. And people are going to say, but we need taxes to run our country. And if we don't have taxes, then we have to put taxes on goods and commodities that people use so that we can collect taxes. All right. So who is arguing with that? But why are our taxes being used to even look at building a $6 billion parliament when you have one downtown where you're sitting in every day and still not making good decisions for the country? How can that even be a concern? Put more facilities in the community and stop blaming dancehall. Vybz Kartel is locked up for 10 years now, and you can't blame Vybz Kartel no more. Vybz Kartel never had an influence over crime. He never had a hand in crime. Incarcerate him and lock him up wrongfully for being responsible for a country's decadence, when again, as I've mentioned in many videos before, our political parties are very much responsible for all of the stress and all of the bad things that we see happening in our country today. The fall them just come home to roost. We are reaping and we are suffering from all the bad political decisions that were made in the 70s, in the 80s, based on what I've been educating myself on, coupled with the fact of what my parents, mother, grandmother have told me. This is the result. This is not the result of Vybz Kartel's music. So who they're going to blame now? Who they're going to blame for the decadence in society? Our government has not put forth any strategic plan, any strategic approach, any strategic element as to how they're going to counter crime. And that is what I've been asking for a very long time. What measures are you taking to fight these bad men? What measures are you taking to fight the man them on the claim said the woman them in the society if you come out and denounce? You have not created a safe haven for people to come out and quote unquote tell what is happening in their communities. You have not. It is not just about them being silent. You create a safe haven, people will come out and talk. Anyway, people, tell me your thoughts down below in the comment section. And as per usual, we'll have a discussion. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the notification bell. And if you've not yet smashed the like button on this video, smash the like button and send this out. Do remember to buy Vybz Kartel's album. It is coming out for pre-order July 30th and it will be available on all digital platforms. And it will be made available for sale on August 6th. I'm out.